Hi everyone, welcome back to Freelance with Jay, your home for practical freelancing tips and smart tools to help you earn online. I'm Jay. In previous videos, we talked about how freelancers in Nigeria and Africa can receive international payments and how to set up a Gray account step by step. But many beginners still ask an important question: which payment platform is actually the best? Should you use Gray, Payoneer, or YXIYGZ? In this video, we're going to compare these three platforms honestly, looking at fees, ease of setup, and which one works best for freelancers in Africa. Before we continue, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more freelancing guides like this. Many freelancers focus only on getting clients, but they forget something very important: how they will receive their money. If you choose the wrong payment platform, you may experience payment delays, high fees, account restrictions, difficulty withdrawing your money. That's why choosing the right payment system is a very important step for anyone serious about freelancing. Let's start with Payoneer. Payoneer is one of the most popular payment platforms used by freelancers worldwide. Many platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Amazon integrate directly with Payoneer. Some advantages of Payoneer include: trusted by many global companies, works with many freelance platforms, allows withdrawals to local bank accounts. However, there are also some downsides. Account approval can sometimes be slow. Verification requirements can be strict. Fees can be higher depending on the transaction type. For many experienced freelancers, Payoneer works well, but beginners sometimes find the setup process a bit complicated. Next, let's talk about YXIYGZ. YXIYGZ, previously known as TransferWise, is known for its transparent fees and excellent international transfers. Some advantages of YXIYGZ include: very competitive exchange rates, transparent fees, easy international bank transfers. However, YXIYGZ is not always beginner-friendly for freelancers in Africa because account availability varies by country. Some freelance platforms don't integrate directly with YXIYGZ. Certain features may be restricted depending on your location. YXIYGZ works great for international transfers, but it's not always the easiest starting point for new freelancers. Now let's talk about Gray. Gray is a platform designed with African users in mind, making it easier to open virtual foreign accounts. With Gray, you can receive USD, GBP, EUR. This means international clients can pay you just like they would pay someone with a local account in those countries. Some advantages of Gray include: easier account setup for Africans, virtual foreign bank accounts, simple interface for beginners. For freelancers who are just starting, Gray can be a very practical option. So if we compare them simply, Payoneer is great for freelancers already working on big platforms. YXIYGZ is excellent for low-cost international transfers. Gray is one of the easiest options for beginners in Africa who want a simple way to receive foreign payments. If you're just starting freelancing and want the simplest way to receive international payments, Gray is usually the easiest place to begin. Once your freelancing business grows, you can later expand to other platforms like Payoneer or YXIYGZ. If this video helped you understand the differences between Gray, Payoneer, and YXIYGZ, give it a thumbs up and share it with another freelancer. Also drop a comment below and tell me, which payment platform are you currently using? Don't forget to subscribe to Freelance with Jay for more freelancing tips and step-by-step guides. I'm Jay, and I'll see you in the next video.